Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Hi, Garrett, Castro, Avery, on the park. Hey guys, I have my husband here and Peter as my guest today. My husband is going to ask Peter in English and then Peter will translate that in Cebuano. So I hope you guys enjoy this show, and if this is your first time watching Aurora's vlog, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And let's get this video going. Okay, here we go. Bob, ask questions to Peter and Peter can translate it.
Okay, so if I was in the Philippines, I'd probably have to learn a few words, you know. A lot of guys go to the Philippines, they want to maybe meet a pretty girl. So what would be the thing that I would say to ask maybe what her name is? So how would I say, what is your name? Unsay mo nga, how old are you? Pila mo edad? Okay. Where do I go to find something to eat?
Asa ko makakita ang pwede ko makakaon.
How would I say, thank you?
Salamat.
You're welcome.
Walay sa payan.
You are very pretty.
Gwapa kay ka.
How do I get a car or transportation?
Unsa na ko pagkuha ang sakyanan?
What time is it?
Unsa oras karon?
Where do you live?
Asa gapuyo?
Do you like me?
Ganahan ka nako.
Can I see you again?
Pwede ta magkita balik.
Where do I find the bathroom?
Asa Casillas dire.
Okay, so now I'm going to ask you some questions in English, and then you respond to me in your language. Okay, so, hello, what is your name?
Peter.
And where are you from?
From Philippines.
Okay, and how long have you lived in the Philippines?
Raised and born.
Where you born? And what part of the Philippines are you from?
Cebu City.
Okay, and what do you like best about the Philippines?
Tanan, daghan.
What grade are you in?
Nag-graduate na ko sa high school, college na.
What do you hope to do someday for a living?
Negosyo.
What is your favorite Filipino food?
Taong, yung mga batong.
You like chicken adobo, pork adobo, or beef adobo?
Sagunsa, basta libre, lami na na.
Do you like to go to the ocean and swim?
Alexa, igo na bas on tiil.
What's your favorite thing to do?
Madumi sa church, mag-pray, then madumi, mag-gadiri, mag-Bible study.
Okay, Peter, I'm gonna ask you in English and you can answer me in Cebuano. So, how long have you been here in America?
It's been one pa weeks pa.
How do you like America?
Sa pagkakaroon, di pa ko kaingon, nag-adjust pa ko sa mga buhaton diri, sa ilang mga culture, mga ingana.
So far, how do you like the food?
Okay man jud siya, pero adjust lang gamay.
So, what about the weather? So right now it is November the 1st and it's a little bit hot. So do you like it?
Sa kwaran yun, marag bugnawan ra ko.
Is it hotter than Philippines?
Kuan man dito limuot, sakto ra. Hangin ra. Diri kay bugnaw na bugnaw na hangin.
Okay. So do you think you can adjust your life here in America, living here?
Oh, adjust na dyan na.
You're not gonna go home, right?
Yeah. Adto po yung gawas balay, kini ko uli.
Good. So, anyways, we are here in Scottsdale. We're gonna go find some food there tonight. What do you think you want to eat?
Sa Gunsara, kanang lami sa mga...
Do you like to eat spicy food?
Mga Filipino foods, mga dyan yung paborito, nandan, may kapalit sa tiyan.
Alright guys, this is it for today. We are going to walk some more, maybe later if we can think whatever we need to add to this video, we will continue then. Stay tuned.
Okay, Peter, so let's say I needed to get a cab. How would I say I need a cab?
Mamara, karang taxi na asa ta makakuha ng taxi.
Okay. What if I needed to get a jeepney? A jeepney is a vehicle they use in the Philippines.
Tang na juga sa kuan, sa daan. Kunay mo agi parahon.
How would I say, how much does it cost for a jeepney ride?
Bilang PT sa kuan jeep, manay Bisaya.
And how much for a cab? More money, right? More
Yeah,
money.
yeah, yeah. Oh.
for cab. What about tricycle? Much cheaper?
It's pareha ra sa kuan sa jeepney.
So what do you like best to ride in? Jeepney, tricycle, or cab? What's your favorite?
Depende kung asa ko maadto.
Okay, so how do I get to the airport?
Unsaon ako pag adto sa airport?
Okay. How do I get to the police department? Police.
Unsaon ako pag adto sa place?
So if I needed help, how would I say, where do I go for help?
Adto kag barangay.
Okay, so I might ask, how do I get to the mall?
Unsaon ako pag adto sa mall?
How do I get to the hotel?
Unsaon ako pag adto sa hotel?
Where do I go to find gas for my car?
Asa ko madto para magpagasolina sa akong auto?
Where do I go to find the pure form?
Asa ko kaadto para madtong pair?
So about how much does a $1 American worth in pesos?
Nasa 52 or 51 na.
So about 51 pesos for $1 American.
Yeah,
Okay.
52.
And it costs about how many pesos for maybe just a basic cab ride for a few kilometers?
Naroon na sa 100 na 40 span.
So between maybe 1 and 200 pesos
Yeah,
to go maybe just across town.
yeah.
So what
That's
if like for
$1 to $2.
Punta Princesa to Ayala, how much would that cost for a taxi drive?
300 if traffic.
Okay.
300, so which is like translate to US is like $6, right?
$6.
Okay.
You basically can go just about anywhere you want in town for just between $4 to $6 US,
Right.
or between maybe 200 and maybe 300 to 400 pesos. Just right down the street may only cost $1 or $2 US, or about 100 to 200 pesos Philippine money. Okay, well, thanks Peter for giving us a translation of English to Cebuano.
Salamat sa kayo ang kugab sa mga pangutanan nimo nga natubang nako.
Thank you.
Thank you.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog.
Actually, you know what you
Salamat
Thank you
sa
for
pagtanaw
watching
sa vlog
Aurora's
ni
vlog.
Aurora Vlog.